Hello viewer, here we will make the changes. I have selected it and try to add a paint on it. So there is a we will apply on it. Make the changes. Let's have another design to use there. Also we will use the shapes. Add a paint there. Let's make a selection. Again we will repeat it.